Hey guys, Sarah here with Sarah's Jewelry Studio. So today I'm going to do our Bargain Bead Box opening for our March of 2020 selections. So I just got it. I haven't even opened it yet. I wasn't even planning on doing a video tonight, but my sister-in-law Susan, she just signed up with using my code to save her $2 on her first month, which that code is SJS2. So you're welcome to use that too if you decide to sign up, and I'll have a link in the description below. But anyway, so she texted me just like a half an hour ago, if that, and said, hey, did you get, I got my Bargain Bead Box. Did you get yours? So it is, what is it? It's almost 2 in the morning. So she knows that I'm a night owl, and I try to get some work done late at night after the kids are in bed. So I was like, man, I don't want to walk out to the mailbox, but I went ahead and did it, and so here it is. So I'm going to go through this, I'm going to open it up and check out what's inside, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So stick around. Alright you guys, so here we go. This month's theme is Cherry Blossom. As soon as I saw this pink organza bag, I knew that I was going to be in love with it, and it does not disappoint. So this month the beads are, there's delicate pink cherry blossoms that are emblematic of spring, a season of renewal, and the fleeting yet entrancing nature of beauty and life itself. March's collection includes cherry quartz, the trade name for a lovely man-made specialty glass, as well as genuine Rhodochrosite rounds and hand-carved mother-of-pearl shells. Bright AB glass sleeves and a collection of silver findings complete the set. By popular request, we've also included some basic findings this month so you can get started creating right away. So I'm really excited at the amount of pink, because I love pink, and also findings. So I think they did a great job with including, oops, sorry guys, with including findings this month. So that's not something that they've been doing typically. Well, at least not a lot of basic findings. So this is definitely the most findings I've ever seen. So, and you will see that right away, because number one is steel beading wire. So you got approximately a 10-yard spool of 0.38 millimeter nylon coated steel beading wire. So that's cool. I use a lot of this, so that's going to be very handy. You guys, if you see that, I just did that a little bit ago with a head pin. Whoops. Alright, so number two is 40 pieces of steel rhinestone rondelle spacer beads. You can see that they got the little clear rhinestones in there. So these are smaller ones. They're what did I say? 6 by 3 millimeter. So that's 3 millimeters across and 6 millimeters wide, if that makes sense. Alright, so these next ones, number 3, is 4 pieces of 31 millimeter floral branch drops. Okay, so they go like this. So I'm not going to tell you what I originally thought when I first saw this, but I'm sure I won't be the only one who gets that idea, but I'm not even going to discuss that. So they all go like this. Here we go. So there's that. And this is a branch drop, a floral branch drop. So there's a hole up top here, and then I did notice there was actually a very small hole right here, so you could also use that as well, but I would definitely suggest hanging it this way, because then you can tell that it's a flower on a branch. Alright, so number 4, I love all of the beads that came in this month. Number 4 is a 7.5 inch strand of 8 millimeter cherry quartz glass matte round beads. So just a beautiful pink color. I love pinks, I love purples, I love blues, but I definitely love pink also. So this one is a winner for me, especially since we just came out of the Regal box not that long ago, so we got blues. So next I'm waiting on purple. Maybe that'll be next month. Alright, so number 5 is a 15 inch strand of 6 millimeter cherry quartz glass round beads. So the other ones were matte round beads in 8 millimeter, and these are just glass round beads in 6 millimeter, both cherry quartz. So this is a 15 inch strand. So really pretty. You can see the cord through it, so they have it on this you know, red colored cord, so you can see it sticking out in here through the beads. And then, you know, if you're going to have it on wire, it might not be, you know, it might not show up as much of a red line in there. So keep that in mind. Alright, so number 6, we have some crimp beads. So 2.5 millimeter, there's approximately 50 pieces in there. And they are brass. They're lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. So that's always helpful. Now these are definitely the best flower or best bead caps I've seen yet out of any of the Bargain Bead boxes that I've done. They are flowers, and look, you can see on the inside of the bead cap is where it looks like a flower. And then on the outside there's not a whole lot to it, but the inside is where all the detail is. So I just thought those were really pretty. Definitely, I think they're the prettiest bead caps yet. Alright, number 8 is 5 sets of modern floral accent toggle clasps. So you can see it's got the little flower on the end and then a flower on the loop. And when you hook them together, you'll have a flower on either side. So that'll be cute. Oops, just piled them in together. There we go. Okay. So now, number 9 is approximately a 12-inch strand of 12 by 10.5 millimeter pressed glass leaf beads in crystal AB. Look at the shine. It's so pretty. I really love these. So I've been like debating the last few times I've been shopping on whether to buy some leaf beads. I haven't done anything with leaf beads yet, like this. So not quite sure what I'm going to do. I haven't really put a whole lot of thought into what I was going to do with it. I was just debating on whether I wanted to try or not. So I guess now I'm going to. Alright, so number 10 is 4 pieces of 14.5 by 13.5 millimeter textured rose coin beads. So they're drilled down the center like that. They're nice hefty. They're really thick, good thick metal. I like those. Alright, so then number 11, we have 5 grams of 35 millimeter steel head pins. So always great to have more head pins, especially after the piece I just created for my mermaid box last night, which I'm really excited about. Which I only have the set I was working on tonight and then one more set to go, and then I'm ready to do my video on my mermaid collection. It'll be complete. Alright, so number 12 is 20 pieces of the 19 by 16 millimeter nickel-free steel hook ear wires. So there's those. Now these don't have, on the ear wires I normally use, they have that little spring coil and then the little round bead on there. So these don't have that. So this is different than what I would normally use. So I'm excited to have something different. Alright, what was that? That was 12. So 13. We're at a 15-inch strand of 6 millimeter natural rhodochrosite round gemstone beads. So very pretty. I love the different tones in there. So you can see there's a wide range of colors. So you get the darker pinks, and then these are almost like a tan. They're not really even that much pink, but you have like all these different variations in between, light to dark. Really pretty. Alright, so number 14, we have 10 pieces of 13 by 17 millimeter dual side blossom charms. These are made from a pewter alloy with an antique silver finish. So they actually feel really lightweight. They almost, like if it didn't say pewter alloy, I could almost think they were plastic. They just feel really, really lightweight. So I'm glad they put that on there. And I guess that's probably why they made sure they did put that on there. But they are cute. They are double-sided, so I like that. Until they just sound different. Alright, so then number 15 is 3 pieces of 29 by 22 millimeter flower and vine connector components. And these are one-sided. So there's the front, and then you can see there's the back. So definitely one-sided. So we've got 3 of those. Alright, so then up next we have a 10-piece strand of approximately 12mm hand-carved shell flower beads. So these are really pretty. Now it doesn't give a color on here, but I do see like this one is, I mean it's shell, so I guess it's just whatever the natural color is for the shell. But you can see like this one here is really dark with this really light little tip on there. And then this one seems a little more yellowed. And if we flip them over, then you can see like this one has a lot of variation. Same with this one. So this one here, there's some all kind of seem similar, but there's those 3 that stick out to me as being different. That is the nature of shell. Alright, so this piece is my favorite piece out of this whole box, and it is stunning. It is one piece of approximately 36mm cherry quartz glass, shell, and rhinestone focal. That is really pretty. So we got a nice little bail here, and then this is like the branch. It like comes all the way down. You can see the back of it. So that is really pretty. Let me turn it around upside down. There you go. So you can see the back. So really pretty. I think that is just so gorgeous. A little bit of flower on there. Little rhinestones here, here, and here. Just so pretty. So pretty. Alright, and then last, but certainly not least, is approximately a 7-inch strand of 10mm cherry quartz glass faceted round. So the biggest beads we got here, so we got 10mm. And these, the color match is so perfect with that, like that. I mean, they're both cherry quartz, so that makes sense. These are actually cherry quartz also. So you can see all the colors so beautifully coordinate this month. Like, there's definitely no questioning whether they coordinate or not. Everything is just so beautiful together. Look at all those colors, they all mesh so perfectly. So, I really like it. I'm excited to work with this box. I can't wait. Can't wait to see what all we can come up with. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. I do watch, you know, other videos on YouTube here, and then I also, you know, look on the Facebook page. The Bargain Bead Box has a Facebook page where you can upload your photos to be in a contest where you could win a $25 gift certificate if your creation is selected by them as a winner for that month. So, you know, you can put it on their Facebook page, on their Instagram, or on send it to them via email. So I do watch their Facebook page just to see what other people make, just because I love to see, you know, all the different things we all come up with, you know, using the same exact materials. So, alright, so that was everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and comment below if you have any questions or anything. Again, I will have my my link in the description if you decide that you want to join. It is $17.95 a month, but if you use my promo code SJS2, then you would get $2 off of your first month, making it only $15.95. And typically we've been getting 18 pieces every month, so basically $18 for 18 items shipped to your door is an amazing deal. So, and you get a cute little organza bag, so really cute. And then I am excited because now I get to fill my box. So I've shown this before, but I'm going to show you again. This is what I do with my beads once I get them. I have taken the little stickers, I just cut them, you know, cut through the bag, and I just taped them right into my box. So what I do is I go ahead and, you know, put all the items in there by number, and then I just keep this right on top of the box, and then I'm good to go, and I know, you know, what items are what as I go through and I'm working with them. So, just a suggestion of something you guys can do if you've, you know, been trying to figure something out. I know that when I am, working, I like to dig out of a box as opposed to, pulling off of a strand or in a bag or whatever. So that's just how I normally work. So that's the system that I came up with. If you guys have something different that you do, please feel free to share that in the comments below also, because I love to learn from one another. So, all right, that was everything. I'm going to have you guys stop staring at these beautiful, beautiful beads. So I'm excited to get working with them, but I've got to finish my mermaid collection first. So I have half a set to finish tonight, and then another set to go, and then I will get into this. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you have a great night. All right, bye.